Happy Tuesday, biscuits. Do you have lockdown fatigue and cabin fever like I do? Yes. I have thoroughly lost my mind, and so I thought while I fold the upteenth container of laundry that I have folded in the last day, I will come on gossip with you biscuits, because, woo! This lockdown's lasting, it's just lasting. Oh my goodness. I am trying to hunt down matching socks. And I don't know if any of you biscuits ever try to match sock to socks. But they resist, look, polka dots, different socks. They resist being found more than aliens. And you would think aliens would be harder to find. No, it turns out they are not, in fact, harder to find. Matching socks are. Oh my goodness. Have you guys been enjoying Patreon this month? I appreciate all the lovely comments I have gotten on, tuning up the playfulness and having a good time with it this year. That's the goal. Oh my goodness, I've got a bunch of fun costumes planned for some of the themes that I think are going to be a hoot. Pink, two different total sizes. Where do they go, biscuits? I don't know. So tell me how in the comments, how is your lockdown going? How is your month going? Is it treating you well and you feel like you're really coming in centered and you're happy and you're mellow and you're like, oh, this is good, I'm relaxed? Or are you feeling like just the wall, you're hitting the wall? Are you hitting the quarantine lockdown wall, or are you feeling like, you know what, smooth sailing, I got this, I can do it? I think I've been kind of bumping into the wall and backing up for months now, and definitely I feel like because this is such a cruddy time of year weather-wise, and these are so close but they have different angles in Seattle, that it's so easy for me to hit the wall this time of year anyway. I get such bad seasonal affective disorder. It's hit me every year that I have lived here. I didn't know that I got it until I moved here. And boy, it just bonks me over the noggin every year. And normally I can escape for a week or two, go visit family in other climates. And this year, obviously, I can't. So this year I'm just kind of facing it head on, going, oh, this is terrible. This is so comfy. My mom gave me this shirt because she knows that I always thought it would be fun to be a candy striper nurse, like a volunteer nurse, that gets to take care of babies. And man, I so wanted that to exist as a program. I remember looking it up ages ago, and it's not. You can't actually do that. They don't let you. At least not where I lived when I looked it up at the time. It just it wasn't an option. And I was so sad. I was like, oh, I really want to do that. Sounds like so much fun. Oh, boom, 2 matching socks. Take that. So I think that's sweet that she gave that to me. Woohoo! I love it when I find actual socks. It's a miracle. Oh yeah. Lockdown fatigue. So this time of year is definitely hard on me. Sorry, biscuits. I'm not looking at you very much. I apologize. I love this shirt. I love ice cream socks. These are so cute. Just makes me want all the ice cream all the time. Oh yeah. Okay, that may just be a giant pile of socks that don't match. I think I have to face that. But I'm having fun, kind of just being more creative with work, I think is what's been keeping me focused and less crazy. So I started that workout course that I'm doing now, and I do that on just about daily posts where we do workout and fitness and fun, playful things on that. And I've got some new gear coming for that this spring. That's going to go full hog because I've got a whole bunch of really cool workout gear coming to help motivate us all to do home workouts. So that's going to be really fun. And right now I'm doing a lot of yoga on there and a lot of Pilates, stretching. We did a whole week of meditation, like relaxation, ASMR, little mini clips, naturalism yoga. So it was just really nice to have a calming week, because I poll everybody on there to find out, you know, what do you want each week for the workout theme, and that was the overwhelming majority of messages that I got. Oh man, I thought I found a sock. Was, you know, people wanted to be calm and relaxing. And then I think as we move into the rest of the year, I'm going to do more intense workouts, or not intense maybe, but you know, more cardio, more swimming. We're going to do a whole series on that, so I'm looking forward to it. And then Patreon, I have just gone full hog in. I've just been a lot more fun, and I've been doing quizzes on there, and I've been doing a whole lot more just casual, playful photo shoots on there, because that's something that, you know, I feel like all this month is connection, is this nice thing to have. In fact, I just got done shooting a video. I'm looking for my organizing piles. A video for the top tier on there, where I'm testing out some more of that Korean skincare style snail goo that you put on your skin to make it luminous and shiny, and I think that that's going to be a hoot for everybody, because it's just a silly, goofy one. And I got to thank all you biscuits that are on either the workout course or Patreon, or a lot of you are actually on both. Thank you so much for that, because it lets me keep my head on straight, because it lets me be playful and silly and creative, and that's something that I've really needed during lockdown, to stay sane, because otherwise I will just lose it. I will. We've been in lockdown for so long. These don't match, but do I care? Because it's one tiny color stripe that doesn't match. Oh, I'm a rebel. Oh yeah, it's the kind of rebel that I am. Take that. So thank you, biscuits. I really do. I appreciate how loving and positive you've been on there so far this year. And I know we're only a few weeks in, but it's just been really nice to have like a really positive, loving space in the world. It's full of respect and like nice messages about loving the content. It helps me stay grounded and focused on work when all this lockdown fatigue is just really kind of grinding away at me mentally. So I appreciate that, biscuits. My camera's blinking at me. It says you've talked too long, lady. I don't think so. I don't talk too long. I talk so. I'm going to see you in the next video in that case, because otherwise my camera will just go poof on you. I love y'all. Giant quarantine hugs. I hope that we're all staying sane together and, you know, enjoying being at home as much as we can.